One of the great things about MagTitan is how it enables publishers to make money with digital. Well, today we're going to take that a step further with the unveiling of our charter program technology. Now, this technology automates the creation of a tiered sales program, a full sales program where you will get paid in advance for bulk ad purchases from your clients. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up and actually start making money from your digital editions. Let's get into it. From the dashboard page, what you're going to want to do is go to the Advertising Center tab. And when you click on that, you're going to see the My Network section over here. Now, you probably won't have this set up, so you're going to want to go through and add a network. If you only have one publication, you'll set up your one network. In this case, we have a couple different networks, and I'm going to use the example of Crushing It magazine, and we'll work with that. So I'm going to click on the Settings tab, and that will open up the settings that we've already created for this particular network. You're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this area down here called Charter Sponsorship Program, and you're going to click the Create Program button. When you do, you will see the magazine options that you have here because it's only one magazine in the network. We have Crushing It magazine, so we're going to click that button. Now, what you'll see by default is that we have three options to choose from. By using these buttons, you can add or delete charter sponsorship levels so that you can actually have between 1 and 5 levels. You can also change the names. So we're going to just use the default here, which are bronze, silver, and gold, and we're going to set up the first level, which is the bronze level. Now, when you come in here, if you wanted to edit it, you could just kind of edit it in here, but we'll leave this and we'll click Continue. Now, there are two types of offers that you can set up. A fixed price, which is very simple. It's a set price of X dollars, or a price range where you allow your sponsors to set their own price within a range that you set. So let's use for this level, we'll start with a price range. I'm going to click the price range button, and now we're in this area where we can set up the price range, and then you'll see the bonus multiplier and the available sponsorships. These are the three things that we have to set up on every level. So for this, let's set up the price range where we're going to let somebody name their own price, and we're going to double whatever they spend. So let's set the price range. Let's say actually 1 to 10,000. That's a good price range for default. We could move the slider to whatever we want. You could also type it in over here, but we'll leave that for now. And then we're going to turn the dial here to 2 because we're going to multiply, we're going to double whatever they spend. If you wanted to give them a 10% increase, you just make it 1.1, a 20% increase, but we'll just use 2 for right now. Now, for the bottom level sponsorship, instead of making it limited to how many people that can actually choose that, let's make it unlimited. So we're going to just dial it down to 0. But you see that by turning it, you could go, from anywhere from 1 to 10. And so there we have it set. That's literally all that you need to do. Actually, you want to always save your work. So I'm just going to save it real quickly. I'll click Continue. And now you'll see that it'll put us into the pricing table. And this pricing table appears in a couple different spots, one on your marketing website and also inside of your clients' accounts. And so you'll see it's based on what you already set up. They're going to get 100% bonus and free ads. You can actually edit this copy in the first 2 bullet points here if you choose. And you can see that it says name your own price between $1 and in this case 10,001. And the value that they're going to get is going to be between $2 and 20,002. So if that looks good, which it does for now, let's click Save. And then we'll go back to all levels. And now we'll go to the second level, which is Silver. And we're fine with the name. We'll click Continue. And in this case, let's go with a fixed price. So I'm going to click Fixed Price. And since we have a $1 to $10,000 level, let's set this at $15,000. So if somebody wants to spend $15,000, instead of doubling their money, let's say we're going to triple their money. So we'll put a 3x multiplier. And how many sponsorships do we want to have here? So let's say we want to have 4 of these. So 4, that'll get, actually, a typo there. Let's make it 15,000. And so that'll give us 60,000 in revenue. That looks good. I'm going to save it. I'll click Continue. It'll put me over here at the pricing table, and that looks fine. So they spend $15,000. 4 sponsorships left, and they get $45,000 in value for that $15,000. We'll save this, and then we'll go back to all levels, and we'll do the final level, the gold level, and we'll click continue. And let's do a fixed price for this. So we have $15,000. Let's say that if somebody's willing to make a commitment of $25,000 to us, let's say we're going to 4x multiply for them, and let's say we're going to limit this to only 2 sponsorships. And again, you can pick whatever you want. I'll save this. I'll click continue. You can see the value. So they spend $25,000. They get a 300% bonus, which is $100,000 in ads. Let's say we want to make this a feature level, and you can click here, and you'll see how it'll be designed where it stands out in this way, or it's just a toggle. You can unclick it and not have it. But I think it kind of looks nice to stand that out, so I'll leave that. I'll click Save, and now we're going to go and show you where this appears. The first place that it'll appear is on your custom advertising sales website that MagTitan generates for you. To access that, you'll go back into your advertising center and you'll click on the link button here. It'll give you the URL that you can share with your advertisers. I'm just going to click on Visit for this demo, and you'll see that it opens up the ad sales website. And there's a button here that says Specials. When we click it, you'll see here is the charter program that we put together. And down here it says, to buy any charter program, please register below. And the charter program appears in the Specials area. So once they register here on your website, they'll have an account set up with your magazine and MagTitan, and then they'll be able to access and actually purchase those specials within their members area. Let's go to that now. Here we are inside your advertiser's advertising account, and when we look on the left-hand side, we'll see a Specials button whenever you set up a charter program. When we click it, we're taken to the price table where they can see the various options, and then click the Buy button in order to purchase one of the packages. If they click on the Buy button for the bronze level where there's a range, they could come in and set their own price range. So here I'll enter $1,000. When I click See Details, you'll see that it has all the information related to the purchase. The price is $1,000 in Crushing It magazine. I'm getting a $2,000 coupon value for that. The verified view price is $1. They'll get 2,000 verified views. It's a 100% bonus. And then all they do is confirm that they want to do it and make a payment. And if they would do it for one of the other packages where there's a fixed price, so let's say here I click on the gold package, you'll see that the price is $25,000, but I'm getting a 300% bonus, so I'm getting a $100,000 coupon value for that, and it works just the same. So all you need to do is go inside your MagTitan account, take a few minutes, set up your charter program, and start sending it out to advertisers. You have everything done for you on a turnkey basis. You've got the website, you've got the order processing, it's all done. There's nothing else that's to it. And it should be a very compelling proposition for your advertisers, especially if you use the set your own price range option, because then price isn't an obstacle anymore. They can set their own price and get a great value.